SQL syntax serves as the foundation for interacting with databases. The primary elements of SQL queries include SQL statement. The select statement is the core of SQL queries. It allows us to specify which columns we want to retrieve from a table. From clause. The from clause identifies the table or tables from which we want to retrieve data. Where clause. The where clause is used to filter data based on specific conditions. It allows us to retrieve only the rows that meet certain criteria. Order by clause. The order by clause sorts the results set based on specified columns either in ascending or descending order. Using these fundamental elements, we can construct powerful queries to extract precisely the data we need from the database. The select statement in combination with other clauses forms the backbone of SQL's data retrieval capabilities, making it an indispensable tool for data analysts, developers, and anyone involved in working with databases. SQL